Monkey finds tree. Tree makes big yellow bananas. Monkey thinks, "This is the greatest tree in the jungle." Monkey gives all his leaves to own that one tree. Life is good. Then a storm comes, or a beetle eats the roots, or the tree owner runs away. Now the tree is dead. Monkey has no bananas, no leaves, no backup. This is called going all in. It is a very good way to stay a poor monkey. Smart monkeys do not buy one tree. They buy a basket. Humans call this an ETF. Imagine a basket holding a banana leaf, a berry twig, a nut branch, and a wood log. When you buy one basket, you become a tiny owner of every tree inside. If the beetle eats the banana tree, it is okay. The other trees keep you full. Wait, can I eat the basket? No, do not eat the basket. It is a metaphor. If you eat the screen, you will have a stomachache and no leaves. The most famous basket is called the S&P 500. This basket holds the 500 biggest, strongest trees in the human jungle. It has tech trees, energy bushes, and even shop logs. Because it has so many trees, it is very hard for the whole basket to die. For the basket to go to zero, every big company in the world would have to vanish. If that happens, you have bigger problems, like fighting tigers for a cave. But watch out. Some monkeys offer to hold the basket for you. They say, "I am a professional forest guard." But every year, they reach into your basket and take a few leaves for themselves. This is an expense ratio. If a guard takes 1.5% every year, they are a greedy monkey. We want the lazy guards. They only take 0.03%. They do not do much, but they let your forest grow without eating all your fruit. Recap time. One tree is risky. Baskets are safer. Pick a basket with low fees. If you understand this, scratch your head once. Good monkey. The best part? You do not have to do anything. You just keep putting a few leaves into the basket every moon. Over time, the trees grow. They drop seeds. Those seeds grow more trees. This is compound growth. After many years, you do not just have a basket. You have a whole forest that feeds you for free. Is it always sunshine? No. Sometimes the bear comes to the market. All the trees look like they are shrinking. Most monkeys panic. They sell their basket for 2 leaves and run away. Do not be that monkey. If you own the whole forest, the sun will eventually come back. The trees will grow again. As long as you do not sell during the fire, you still own the same amount of the jungle. To grow your forest, follow the forest map system. First, find a low-fee basket. Look for total market, or S&P 500 ETFs. Second, the monthly nut. Set a goal to put 10 leaves in every moon, no matter what. Third, the no-peak rule. Do not look at the forest every day. Trees grow slowly. Fourth, the 20-year nap. Let the forest grow until you are an old monkey ready for retirement. This is the easiest way to get rich without being a genius. Just buy the jungle and wait. This is not financial advice. I am just a monkey with a microphone.